Login loop error on Plaid Fix. If you keep getting stuck in a login loop when using Plaid, you're not alone. Many users experience this problem when trying to connect their bank accounts through apps like Venmo, Robinhood, or Mint. You enter your credentials, hit submit, and instead of moving forward, you're thrown right back to the login page. But here's the surprising truth: the issue usually isn't your bank or your password. Plaid acts as a secure bridge between your financial institution and the app you're using. When the login loop happens, it means something is breaking that secure handshake. This could be due to outdated cache, incorrect security tokens, or temporary sync issues between Plaid and your bank's API. Here's how to fix it. First, completely close the app you're using. Then go to your phone settings, find the app that uses Plaid, and clear its cache and stored data. If you're using a web browser, clear your browser's cookies and cache as well. Next, open the app again and reconnect your bank manually. When you're redirected to Plaid's login screen, make sure you're entering your credentials slowly and carefully. If your bank uses two-factor authentication, approve the prompt immediately. Waiting too long can cause the connection to expire and trigger the loop. If you're still stuck, try disabling any fees or proxies. Late servers need to verify your connection's location for security reasons, and using a masked app can sometimes cause your login attempt to reset. Finally, make sure both your banking app and the app using Plaid are updated to their latest versions. Outdated apps can't always communicate with new security protocols, which leads to repeated login failures. Once you've followed these steps, you should be able to connect successfully. So, the next time your Plaid login keeps looping, remember it's not you. It's just a sync issue that a quick cache clear and reconnect can fix in minutes.